Introduction to JavaScript.
Last time, we learned how to draw shapes at different places and with different colors by using functions with arguments. Whereas before, we could only draw one V, now we're able to draw two Vs. And we're also able to draw red Vs and draw blue Vs. However, they're still all the same size and shape. Let's change that.
To change the size, we'll want to change the space between the circles. We'll go ahead and tackle the horizontal dimension first. You can tell that there are some regular variations here. It seems that the x value increases in units of 40.
Right now, we're defining the value of x of each circle as the x value of the first circle plus a certain number of pixels to the right. Since we determined those are in increments of 40, we can now have a variable. We'll call it dx. That's 40, and we're going to use multiples of that. We see that currently nothing has changed about this picture. However, if we change the value of dx, you can see that we can now have skinny v's or husky v's. Let's go ahead and make dx an argument so that we're able to have v's of both types. We'll make this skinny and this one normal sized. And we run that. You can see we have two v's of different width. We can do the same thing for y. We can see that the y values are the baseline and plus 70 and plus 140. So it appears that our dy currently is equal to 70. We're now going to turn dy into an argument like we did with dx. And go ahead and make this one a little bit taller, and this one a little bit shorter. We'll run that, and sure enough, it worked. This is great. Now, we can have big V's, small V's, short V's, and tall V's. However, there is a trade-off. Now, instead of typing 3 arguments, we have to type 5. So drawing each V is just a little bit harder. However, I think in this case, the trade-off is worth it. Your assignment today is to take the drawL function that you've been working on and make those changes to it that we made to our drawV function. Make it so that it can be of any height or width.
And that's it for Chapter 2. In Chapter 3, we're going to be changing it up a bit and using the console to face off against Crazy-Eyed Bill, the meanest dice player in the West. If you survive, we'll be taking our game to Vegas in Chapter 4. We'll be playing all night long and maybe cheating a little bit. In Chapter 5, we're going to be going back to the safety of drawing circles on the canvas. But this time, they'll be moving. Stay tuned.